Hello, this is going to come in very handy for when you're putting your portfolios together. Getting a screenshot of the entire page is it's a little bit sneaky. So here's how you do it. You want to this is in Chrome. You want to open up the inspect tool, and then you're going to type Command Shift P, or if you're on a Windows machine, it's Control Shift P, and this little command prompt comes up. And what you want to do is type the word screenshot. It is going to give you a few options. So capture area, which is the kind of normal one, capture full size, capture node. So we want capture full size screenshot. Ba-ding! And now if we open this up, I'll just say open, we should have a full screenshot of the page. Woohoo! All right, thanks.